Hello friends, in the previous videos we have studied about guidance and counseling, its meaning, definitions, the process of guidance and counseling, steps involved in those processes, and various types of guidance and counseling. This year the exam you have to give is in the form of online exam and there will be multiple choice questions. So in this video we will discuss about the multiple choice questions based on this content of the guidance and counseling. First question, that is, guidance is the assistance made available to an individual of dash age to help to manage his or her own life. Options are option A 5 years, option B 10 years, option C 15 years, and option D is any of age. So the correct answer is any age. Guidance is the assistance made available to an individual of any age to help to manage his or her own life. Question 2. Basic aim of guidance is dash development of an individual. Options are option A physical, option B spiritual, option C intellectual, and option D is all round. So what is the basic aim of guidance? The correct answer is option D, all round. The basic aim of guidance is all round development of an individual. The next question, question 3. The center of guidance is the dash. Options are option A individual, option B problem, option C guide, and option D is situation. So what is the center of guidance process? The correct answer is option A, that is individual. The center of guidance is the individual and not the problem, guide or situation. Next question, question 4. Vocational guidance involves complete and comprehensive knowledge of dash. Options are A pupil, B nature of job, C psychological characteristics needed, and D all of the above. While giving vocational guidance, it involves complete and comprehensive knowledge of what? And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. All the things are required while giving vocational guidance. That is pupil, information about pupil, nature of job, psychological characteristics needed. So vocational guidance involves complete and comprehensive knowledge of all of the above. Question 5. Guidance takes into consideration the dash development. Options are option A cognitive, option B affective, option C psychomotor, and option D all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. While giving guidance, it takes into consideration the all-round development of the child. That's why the cognitive, affective and psychomotor, all of the above, option D is the correct answer. Question C. Significant role is played by the counselor in dash counseling. Options are option A directive, option B non-directive, and option C is eclectic. In which type of counseling significant role is played by the counselor? And the correct answer is option A directive. In directive counseling, significant role is played by the counselor. Question number 7. Counselor is passive in the dash counseling. Options are option A directive, option B non-directive, option C eclectic. In which type of counseling counselor is passive? And the correct answer is option B non-directive. Counselor is passive in the non-directive counseling. Question 8. Dash is the exponent of eclectic type of counseling. Options are option A, F.C. Thorne, option B, Carl Rogers, option C, E.G. Williamson, and option D is Rain. And the correct answer is option A, F.C. Thorne. So F.C. Thorne is the exponent of eclectic type of counseling. Question number 9. Dash is the chief exponent of non-directive type of counseling. Options are option A, F.C. Thorne, option B, Carl Rogers, option C, E.G. Williamson, and option D is Rain. And the correct answer is option B, Carl Rogers. Carl Rogers is the chief exponent of non-directive type of counseling. Question 10. Directive counseling is advocated by Dash. Options are option A, F.C. Thorne, option B, Carl Rogers, option C, E.G. Williamson, and option D, Rain. And the correct answer is option C, that is E.G. Williamson. Directive counseling is advocated by E.G. Williamson. Question number 11. The emphasis is given on emotional aspect than intellectual aspect in Dash counseling. Options are option A, non-directive, option B, directive, option C, eclectic. In which type of counseling the emotional aspect is given more emphasis than intellectual aspect? So the correct answer is option A, non-directive. The emphasis is given on emotional aspect than intellectual aspect in non-directive counseling. Question number 12. The emphasis is given on intellectual aspect than emotional aspect in Dash counseling. Options are option A, non-directive, option B, directive, and option C is eclectic. And the correct answer is option A, directive. The emphasis is given on intellectual aspect than emotional aspect in directive type of counseling. Question number 13. When students need guidance to select subjects, courses, acquire skills, they are in need of Dash guidance. Options are option A, vocational, option B, educational, option C, social, and option D, personal. And the correct answer is option B, educational. When the students need guidance to select subjects, courses, they want to acquire skills, in that case, they are in the need of educational guidance. Question number 14. Children need Dash guidance to solve psychological difficulties, conflicts, adjustment problems. So option A is vocational, option B is educational, option C is social, and option D is personal. And the correct answer is option D, personal. When children need personal guidance to solve their psychological difficulties, conflicts, adjustment problems. If they are facing these type of problems, they need personal guidance. Question number 15. Students need Dash guidance to choose better career, appropriate profession. And the options are option A, vocational, option B, educational, option C, social, option D, personal. And the correct answer is option A, vocational. So students need vocational guidance to choose better career and appropriate profession. So these are the questions which we have discussed today, multiple choice questions. But these questions are only for reference. So this is for practice. You can practice these questions and go for your exams. So all the best for your exam, dear students, and thank you for your patient listening.